In this video, you'll learn about setting up categories and items in a points-based gradebook in Desire2Learn. Click the Grades link in the nav bar. Depending on what you have done in your gradebook, you may be brought to different screens. The one you want to be on is Manage Grades. You can have categories and items in your gradebook. You don't have to use categories at all. You can mix categories and items together and set the gradebook up however you need it to be. We will start with how to set up categories if you're going to use them. Click the New button. Then click Category. Enter a name for your category. You can also give it a short name if you'd like. If it is possible for your students to get over 100% in the category and you want the excess to be put on the final grade, click the Can Exceed box. If you don't want the items in the category to count toward the final grade, click the Exclude from Final Grade Calculation box. You can choose to make all items in a category worth the same number of points by clicking the Distribute Points Across All Items box and entering a point value. This is also what you will need to select if you want to drop the highest or lowest grade in a category. When you're done with this category and you have no more to create, click the Save and Close button. If you have more to create, click the Save and New button. Continue creating your categories. When you're done making categories, click the Save and Close button. Now we'll make items. Click the New button. Choose Item. There are multiple types of grade items you can have in your gradebook. Each one is explained briefly here so you can select the one that fits your needs. The most common is the numeric, so that is the one I'm going to show. Begin by giving the item a name. If the name is long, you can give it a shorter name too. Only the instructor will see the short name. The short name is used to help keep your gradebook from scrolling so far right and left. Choose the category for the item if there is one. Then enter the max points for that item. On items, you can also allow them to exceed 100% by checking the Can Exceed box. You can make an item completely extra credit by checking the bonus box. And if you don't want an item to be counted in the final grade, check the Exclude from Final Grade Calculation box. When you're done, if you aren't going to make another item, you can click the Save and Close button. To get another new item entry screen, click the Save and New button. Select the item type and fill in the new item form for the next item. Repeat the process as many times as necessary. When you're done, click the Save and Close button. To edit a category, click on its title. You can do the same thing with items. If you want to delete or reorder the items here, you can click the More Actions button. To delete, click Delete. Check the box in front of the item you want to delete, and click the Delete button. You will need to verify you want to continue by clicking the Delete button. You can bulk edit the categories and items either by clicking the box in front of the items you want to edit or checking the Select All Rows box. From there, you can change short and long names, point values, bonus and Can Exceed options, grade schemes, and categories. After you make your changes, click the Save button.